Hi guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, if I have any lipstick on my teeth, that's my business. That's only my business. That's nobody else's business. Clearly, this lip is very glossy and it likes to get on my teeth. And you know what? I don't even care. I don't even care. But today's video, as you can tell from the title of this video, is going to be my current skin and body favorites. I feel like I don't really talk about like body care and skincare that much. So I just wanted to come on here and just rave about a few products that I've been absolutely obsessing over. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I have 10 products in front of me that I've been absolutely obsessing over, and honestly a lot of them kind of work with each other, if that makes sense. It's kind of like a little routine, and this is something very new to me that I've been doing for the last couple of months. I would say maybe for like the last 4 months or so. Some things were just implemented a little later than others, but this whole thing has been chef's kiss and holy grail for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and kick it off. I'm actually going to talk about this razor, and I don't know if that's a little weird or whatever. Is there any hair on here? That'd be kind of embarrassing. I don't know. But this is the Flamingo Razor. So I got this in PR. They sent this to me, and I was just like, okay, it's a razor. Like, no big deal, whatever. First of all, I want to talk about how cute it is. It's like this neon coral color. It's super pretty. But I didn't really think much of it because I was like, it's a razor. What's the big deal? It's a huge freaking deal. This razor is amazing. So first of all, the blades are, it has how many blades? I think this is 5. It is pretty sharp, and that's what you want, because if your razor is dull at all, it's going to snag at your hair, and that can cause like ingrown hairs and things like that. It is sharp, baby. It's gonna cut. So you really want to be careful with this, but it gives you such a smooth and close, you know, shave. It's amazing. Like I'm stuttering because wow, I don't really know what else to say other than this razor is the bomb. I definitely highly recommend this if you are looking for a good razor, whether you still shave down there, your legs, whatever the case might be. But this is the bomb. I definitely will continue to purchase like the razor heads and stuff like that for it, because this is a razor you need. I think every woman needs this razor, especially right now where a lot more skin is showing and we are shaving a lot more often. Because I don't know about y'all, but I don't be shaving my legs in the winter. I don't. Because who gonna see them? Nobody. Nobody at all. So yeah, love this razor. Definitely recommend this for you guys. Speaking of shaving, when it comes to shaving, I have to exfoliate, and I talked about this product before. This is the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. Love this. I got this at Ulta. The bag is like a little bit messy. So basically what this is, it's coffee, vitamin E, and cold pressed sweet almond oil. And I mainly use this on my bikini area. So if you guys don't know, I did transition over to laser. And you still want to exfoliate because you want to make sure you don't get any ingrown hairs or things like that. So like every other day I exfoliate down there. I also exfoliate underneath my arms, so that way I can lighten underneath my arms even though I'm getting laser there too. And this is really going to help remove like the dead skin off your body, make sure your body's like nice and soft. When I wash this off, my body feels extremely soft. Like it feels really good. The ingredients are literally just coffee, sweet almond oil, water, salt, brown sugar, orange oil, vitamin E, soybean oil, and some type of cinnamon derived thingy majiggy. Like it's nothing but great ingredients in this. It's pretty much natural. It's amazing. Highly recommend if you are dealing with like dull skin or you just need something to exfoliate your area down there. Keeping up with exfoliating down there, guys, I really have a routine, and I would love to show you guys the routine that I do for my hoo-ha, but like I don't want to show you my hoo-ha, so I really don't know how I would do that. But anyway, every day I use this Sweet Spot Labs Buff and Brighten Body Exfoliating Pads. This is just these little pads, as you guys can see. What you basically do is you use it to brighten any areas that you feel that need a little bit more brightening. It banishes bumps. It's perfect for bikini legs and underarms. So I use this in my bikini area every day. Every day that I get out the shower, boop, 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 I wipe that area and I exfoliate, because I am pretty much like, as you can see, it's going to be like a routine here. My goal is to have, I call it porn star pussy. I don't know if that's inappropriate. YouTube, don't play with me. Don't demonetize me. But I call it porn star pussy. Like the ones that like literally is as smooth and even toned as my face. I'm going for it. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm going for it. So I'm pretty much doing anything to help with any scarring that I've had previously. And so this has definitely helped a lot as well. I was recommended this by my friend Ashley, and it's great. You can also get this at Ulta. So if you just need like a little something just to exfoliate down there, on more of a like don't have to rinse it off basis, right? So this you have to rinse off obviously because it's a coffee scrub, so I do this in the shower. But if you need something where you don't have to rinse it off and you could just be quick with it, maybe more so for travel purposes, then I would recommend this. But I do both. So I do this like every couple of days, maybe like 2 times out the week, and then I do this every single day. So the combo, boom. Now with all the exfoliating, right, you want to make sure these areas are still hydrated and things like that. So I'm pretty much trying to treat my hoo-ha the same way I treat my face. So I needed an oil or some type of moisturizer for down there. So for that, I purchased the Fur oil. This oil I've also got from Ulta. So pretty much, damn near everything is from Ulta. This oil is supposed to help with ingrown hairs and razor bumps and anything like that. So I use this after I finish exfoliating. I then follow up with this just to keep things nice and soft and hydrated. Now, I don't want you guys to sit here and think like, girl, that's a lot going on in your vagina. Remember, it's not going in my vagina. It's only on the bikini area, so it's external. It's not internal, okay? It's on the exterior of my vagina, okay? So I don't want you guys to think you ain't putting it up in there. It's not going to affect like my pH balance or anything like that. This is amazing. It keeps it like hydrated and soft. So it's like after I done got my laser and all the hair is falling out and I exfoliated and all that, and then I put this on, girl, that baby smooth. She be smooth or whatever. So I love this oil. I just got it maybe like a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, and you only need a little bit because it's potent, if you will. But you can use it in other places other than your vajayjay. Next is going to if my boyfriend watches this video, he gonna talk so much shit. But the next is going to be the Shea Moisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. I was coconut oil. What is on my mind? Okay, so this it's just coconut oils from Shea Moisture, but he's got me addicted to using it. So when he first met me, like, I hated lotion. Like, it's so weird because see, y'all see the beauty of beauty influencers from here up, right? Legs and feet, I would just be ashy and I wouldn't care. I've always been like that. I hated moisturizer. And so when we first met, he was like, no, like, you need to do something about that. Like, you ashy. Like, he used to come over and like put lotion on me. Like, can you do something about this? So he was like, you need some coconut oil, because he loves coconut oil. So he's got me addicted to putting this on my body, and I just be all shiny and hydrated now, and like my legs be looking good and my feet be looking good, and now I don't like being ashy anymore. But I also, just sticking with the theme here, I also love to use this as my shaving thing for my vagina. So coconut oil is 100% safe to put on your vagina, even if it goes inside or whatever, because of the fact that a lot of people use coconut oil as a lube, right? So it's natural, it's okay. Coconut oil as a lube, by the way, top notch. Just want to say that it's real slip and slide, fragrance is real slippery or whatever, caution when wet. But I prefer to use this as the thing that I shave my vagina with. So as I said again, just going to reiterate, I do get laser, so that does require me to shave still, because sometimes the hair does grow back. Eventually it just grows really slow and really, really thin, but you still have to shave it off, and you also have to shave the day before your appointment. So I find that this is the best thing for me to shave with, because most shaving cream, shaving gels, even some natural soaps, after sitting there for so long on my vagina, it does begin to irritate me. Y'all know I got a sensitive hoo-ha. So using this instead as my shaving thing has been 10 times better. And then on top of that is coconut oil. So it's just, it be smooth, it be hydrated, it be feeling good. So as you can see, I have a very in-depth bikini area maintenance routine, but it works. And pretty much I don't deal with ingrown hairs anymore. I don't deal with razor bumps ever. My scars and stuff like that is starting to, you know, the hyperpigmentation is starting to lighten up. So the routine is working. She working. So yes, love the coconut oil. Definitely recommend for shaving down there, as well as just hydrating your body. Don't recommend for your hair or your face. Just want to say that. So for the next product, we're going to talk about this product right here. This is from the brand Indie Lee. This is their De-Stress Body Oil, Calm and Rebalance. Love this. So I tried it as soon as I got it, because I got it gifted to me, and I was like, yo, this is crack. So first of all, my body be glistening, hydrated. It looks beautiful. But because of like the scent in it or whatever like ingredients is in this thing, it really, really is calming. It really does de-stress you. It might be eucalyptus in it or something like that. But I really feel like, whew, like mellow when I use this. I'm honestly obsessed with it, and I'm gonna need like a bunch of bottles of this. It's amazing. This would be great maybe after a stressful day of work, you taking a bubble bath, you taking a shower, whatever the case might be, and then you want to moisturize your body when you get out, because you definitely feel relaxed. Like, it just feels good, like laying in the bed and smelling this. Absolutely love this. Highly, highly recommend this. And I definitely want to purchase a couple of more of these. Next is going to be a fragrance. I feel like that counts as like body care, right? So this is the Ysl Libre Perfume, and I'm gonna put the specific ones somewhere on the screen because I don't remember, because I know they have 3 different ones. I'm obsessed with this. It smells so good. I am terrible at describing fragrances, so I won't be able to like break down like what's in it and all the notes and stuff, but I can describe the feeling. So when I smell this, I smell me, and when I say me, I feel like someone in their late 20s, early 30s, that still has that young side to them, that's like carefree and fun, but also like sexy and seductive. Does that make sense? I don't know. Like, it's just like, I love sweet smelling stuff, but it's like mature sweet, if that makes sense. It's like, I'm a grown-ass woman, baby. This ain't Juicy Couture. No shade to Juicy Couture, because I love their perfume, but you know what I'm saying? When you think of Juicy Couture, it brings me back to like high school vibes. That's what I get from it. It's like, I'm grown and sexy, and you want me. I'm just gonna put a spray a little more. But it's still, I still have this sweet feminine side to me. It lasts really long on the skin. I learned, like, don't dab, y'all. You just spray it on your pressure points. So that's like behind your ear and your wrist and the inside of your arm, behind your knees. Do not tap, because that will manipulate the notes in it and it won't smell the same. But love that perfume. It just smells so good. And then on top of that, it's absolutely gorgeous. The hints of pink with the gold and the black top and everything, it matches my entire apartment aesthetic. As you guys can see, I still have to do an apartment tour, but you know, the black gold and everything, it's just so pretty and fancy looking. I love it. So for the last 3 items, they're more so skincare. This is the Ordinary Glycotic Acid 7% Toning Solution. This is bomb. Okay, so I love a toner that's really going to help with any dark spots or hyperpigmentation, and this definitely does it for me. As you guys can see, I've been loving it. Super affordable. Okay, so you can get it at Sephora, Ulta, or like the Ordinary's website. Very, very affordable. But besides that, I have not experienced it, but I've done a bunch of research. People are using this now as their deodorant. So you would take like a cotton pad or whatever, you'll wipe underneath your arms. Now, obviously, you're not going to get that good smelling scent that you get from like a Dove or a Suave like deodorant, but it helps with your actual odor and also like with sweating or something like that. So it's like a natural, not natural, but a way of getting deodorant without the aluminum, if that makes sense. So I've heard that. And then also, obviously, because the glycotic acid in it is going to help with the darkness under your arms. So I've done it once, but I just felt, wasn't sweating or anything. I really wasn't sweating. I don't know. I just was like, I'm scared, and I just backed up out of it. But on my face, this toner is absolutely amazing. My skin just looks great. It's glowy. It's beautiful. I really haven't been dealing with dark marks like that, thank God. And I don't know if it's just strictly because of this toner, but it is phenomenal. Next is actually completely finished, and I have to replenish. But before I threw the bottle out, I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. This is the Badescu Vitamin C Serum. I probably had like 5 of these. Love this serum. I love serums with vitamin C. As you guys can see, I'm all about bright, glowy skin, not having any hyperpigmentation like that, and that goes for all over my body. So I really, really love this serum because it's great for that. It's about like 42 bucks, and I feel like I've heard that it has one of the highest like percentages of vitamin C in a serum out there. Do not quote me, that could be false, but I've heard that before. It's a really, really great serum. You can get it at Macy's, Ulta, Sephora. You can get it at different places. I just think it's a great serum. So if you are looking for a vitamin C serum, I definitely recommend this. Last but not least, I've talked about this thing so many times. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. As you guys can see, it is almost finished. Now, I definitely have a backup of it already on hand, but I love this. I cannot go a day without applying this lip mask. Since it's a lip sleeping mask, technically you're supposed to wear when you go to sleep. I don't like to, because I just be moving around too much and I be feeling like lint like on my pillows and stuff is getting on my lip. But I put it on every single day, every single morning, to keep my lips nice and hydrated. I love the scents of them. They have so many, and I just honestly think it is the best lip sleeping mask. All right, guys, so that is going to conclude all of my beauty and skincare favorites at the moment. These are the things that are just first things that pop in my head. Obviously, I have a lot of other skincare that I love, but these are things that I've been using consistently lately, and I just think they are bomb. Highly recommend. Of course, all of them will be linked in the description box so you can check them out and get your hands on it. If you've tried any of this or want to try anything, please comment down below. Let me know. Let's engage. Let's have a cute conversation or whatever. If this video was informative, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, then what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.